Oke, kembali lagi bersama saya John Battle dan kali ini kita akan melanjutkan series Career Mode Sassuolo. Di musim kedua ini kita lihat budget dulu ya. Setelah kita mendatangkan dan menjual para pemain kita, budget kita itu sekarang tinggal 34 juta euro. Dan ini ada penawaran untuk Boloka dari Lazio, langsung aja kita lihat. 12 juta setengah, oke, kita mungkin bisa negosiasi ya, kita bisa naikkan ke 15 juta atau 16 juta mungkin. 15 juta lah. Gas. Apakah diterima oleh Lazio? Ya, langsung diterima. So, untuk selanjutnya kita advance ya. Oke, kita lihat kalender terlebih dahulu. Pertandingan pertama kita itu lawan Torino away, langsung melawan Fiorentina away juga. Oke, menarik. Fiorentina di musim lalu itu finish di peringkat ketiga ya. Oke, saya atur dulu audio ya. Mungkin kita bisa kecilin dikit. Oke. Yuk, langsung saja kita advance. Sebelumnya, Cande. Ada tawaran dari Fiorentina untuk Cande. Dan kita akan melihat tawaran tersebut ya. Sebat. Anjir, ini Cherndor. Anjir, central midfielder. Kita nyari sih central midfielder. Bentar, Cande itu market value dia itu 8 juta. Sementara penawaran dia siapa tadi? Si Cherndor itu 7 juta, Pak. Selisih sejuta ya. Oke, central midfielder bisa juga menjadi attacking midfielder dan CDM. Masih 22 tahun. Oke. Dan 400 ya. Oke, boleh lah ya. Kita negosiasi aja. Fiorentina kebetulan kita butuh seorang central midfielder. 2 juta lah ya. Apakah dia mau? Oke, great deal. Dan untuk si Cande ini 29 juta anjir. 20 lah ya, kita bisa lah di 20 lah ya. Salah satu pemain Italia juga ya. Cherndor 5 years. Oke, siap. Tentu saja. Bentar. Klausul nggak usah. Kita bisa kasih gaji dia 20 juta. Apakah diterima? Langsung diterima. Welcome Cherndor ya. Dia pemain yang kita datangkan. Mumoha, Sulemana, Burger, Cirsati, Struik, Kun. Oke. Kita langsung saja ke... Bentar, kita lihat dulu. Apakah ada sesuatu yang baru sini? Oh ya, untuk right back beberapa sudah masuk lah ya. Bentar. Anjir. Perasaan kita tadi kan nambah ya. Lah. Belum ke ini berarti. Belum masuk. Oke lah. Ini dia. Bukan, Pak. Ini mah Luka Diandrea ke Orlando City 2,2 juta. Anjir 3,4 bisa. Nuamah. Ini 37 sih bisa harusnya ya. Nuamah ini. 36 lah. Ke Monza. Oke. Terima langsung Nuamah. Board expectation. Anjir cuma 1,5 juta, cok. Oke, dari England. Masih belum ya. Oke. Kenny TT. Italia Scout Report. Anjir. Ibrahim Sulemana. Lah, bentar. Oh, beda lagi sama tadi, Pak. CDM, tapi kita udah punya burger kan? Udah nggak usah lah. Kita buang aja. Fabian, Diouf. Nope. Noalang. Oke, kita lanjut aja langsung. Ini dia. Yanoni ya. Oh, Filippo Misori anjir. Salah terus. 2,2 juta. Ratingnya anjir B 2,5. Oke. Daniel Boloka 15 juta euro ke Lazio. B lagi harusnya 17. Siap. Potong jari. Anjir 11, cok. Bangsat manajemen korupsi anjing. 50. Oke. Budget kita sekarang 50 juta euro. Dan oh ya, ini akademi saya sudah perintahkan scouting kita ya. Dan di Orlando ini scout kita dari Prancis ini, scout kita yang kita suruh ke Prancis ini dia sudah bintang 5 ya, karena dia selama semusim kemarin tidak bekerja sama sekali. So sekarang kita karena dia masih sekolah ya, dan seperti janji saya, setiap 2 bulan dia akan mendapat 2 bintang, dan sekarang dia sudah 5 bintang experience dan 5 bintang judgment. Oke. Oke, advance. Ini dia. Oh, bukan Cande sih ini, Pak. Ini Patrick Nuamah ke Monza dengan budget 3,6 juta. Paling dapat 2,2 juta itu dari board anjing itu. 2,5 anjing. Romanya. Oke, Romanya. Bentar. Update report. Oke, kita lihat dulu. Right winger 21 tahun anjing. Ljubicic, Andre Borap. Anjir, Romano Smith. Dari Wolfsburg ya itu ya. Werder Bremen, sorry. David Sek. Oke. Scott Osola. Oke, tahu. Terus kita lihat dulu di sini apakah ada. Oke, Molina masih 8 hari. Nah, ini dia right back kita ya. Dodo 25 tahun. Saya butuh yang pace-nya kenceng sih, seperti Dodo ini ya. Rate ini bagus, crossing juga bagus. Dia berusia 20 tahun juga. Market value gede, Pak ya. Selisih 12 juta dengan Giovario Reed ini. Dan si ini posturnya juga tinggi lah. Dodo ini pendek. Cuman dia playstyle-nya lumayan bagus ini. With pass, jogi, anticipate, dan rapid. Sementara with pass, quick step untuk Giovario. Oke, ini masih butuh 8 hari. Pedro Porro 45, aduh. Oke, Jimenez pindah ya. Nah, Alex Kabar ini bisa lah ya kita buy berapa? Bikin no 1,8. Oke, kita mungkin delegate to loan. Bisa kah? Oh, bisa. Kita kayak Ngumoha kemarin ya. Approach to loan. Loan to buy. 2 years. Oke. Dan oke, dia mau transfer fee 1,6 kali ya. Pak, terima Pak. Oke, langsung diterima. Ini dia Almugira Kabar. Oke, left back aman. Tinggal right back Pak. Sama central midfielder lah, beberapa orang lah. Beberapa pemain akan kita datangkan. Dari sini kita sudah mendapat kabar dari beberapa ya. Yaitu Guendouzi, Samuel Ricci. Guendouzi ini mahal Pak jujur, cuman dia GG juga sih. Staminanya 90. Ya opsi kita Samuel Ricci lah. Dan sembari itu kita melihat Sissoko kita cut aja ya. Sementara itu kita lihat juga Miretti Fratesi itu harganya 35. Ricci 2943. Kone sebenarnya kita sudah incar ya, stamina besar Pak 91. Dia playstyle, power shot, ping pass, technical, reasonless. Intinya joki. Anjir ini paling ini sih. Paling lengkap sih Guendouzi. 38. Usia masih 25. Gallagher 30 Pak. Usia 26 tahun. Tapi gajinya gede Pak. Oh sama sih, hampir mirip-mirip lah ya. Wah anjir ini sih GG sih. GG sih kalau Gallagher masuk kali ya. 30 juta. 40 lah ini harusnya dapat. 26 tahun atau Kone. Komposur. Anjir aggressionnya, strength-nya kuat, stamina nggak beda jauh. Di sini long pass, short pass, GG. Ball control, dribbling. Pemain tengah nggak terlalu butuh dribbling sih. Douglas Luiz. Tapi udah 28, 30. Noob lah ya. Jadi Douglas Luiz sama Ngisa kita coret. Miretti. Combiners ini kita coret aja. Dan untuk Douglas Luiz kita coret juga. Kita masih ada beberapa nama yang kita pantau. Osula ini salah satu striker muda dari Newcastle ya, 23 tahun. Fabian pemain tengah. Gallagher sama Ricci, tapi Ricci sini lebih dominan ke DM ya. Stamina 86, si Gallagher 85. Block intercept, bis keren sih. Ini Pak yang paling lengkap sebenarnya. Cuman ya itu 43. Kita 52. Loan bisa nggak ya? Enggak lah ya. Ricci loan. Enggak cuk. Kone loan. Kalau di liga itu buy. 44 anjing. Uang kita langsung habis lah itu. Nah ini kalau di liga itu buy 35. Masih oke lah. Ricci kalau di delegate to buy 37 malah. Samarzip. Kurang sih ya. Bukan kurang. jauh Pak. Mental, strength-nya kalah jauh. Samarzi kita coret. Oke, kita langsung lanjut aja sembari nunggu kabar dari agent kita. Oke, offer dari Romanya 3. Oke, kita bisa kali ya jadikan 4 juta lebih. Tar 39 kali ya. Oke, setuju. Tar center back berarti ya. Kita bisa masukkan dari akademi sih. Kita belum main di Eropa juga kan. Julio Palacios, Rafa Prado. Oke, Ursula. Ini striker kita. Ntar kita loan bisa nggak ya? Anjir, bisa cuk. Oke, kita tunggu kabar 18 hari lagi, siap. Kita loan, harganya berapa itu? Oke, itu offers untuk Romanya jangan, aduh Doik enggak lah. Kita masih akan kembangkan dia ya, walaupun harganya mahal. Enggak lah. Walaupun biasa itu buat beli Theo Hernandez itu. Oke, negosiasi aja. Kita kasih dia di harga 39. Oke. Anjir, harusnya bisa lebih, 4 juta lebih itu harusnya, Pak. Oke, Berardi. Tenang aja, bos. Kita akan beli pemain, tenang aja. Apa sih ini anjing? Astagfirullahaladzim. Oke, langsung advance lah. Nah, ini dia Romanya. Oh, bukan. Pemain baru kita yang kita swap deal tadi ya. Cendur. Welcome to Sassuolo, Cendur. Anjir. Almugira kabar. Oke, siap. Welcome to the club. Welcome to Sassuolo. Scout report. Anjir, Usola ini kurang berapa hari, cok? Kabar Don Cande Sanjir 14 dong. Oke, 2 hari. Siapa ini? Filippo Romanya ke Burnley dengan budget 3,9 juta euro. Anjir, C 4,8 bisa itu, Pak. Bego banget ini. Saya negosiasi ya. Oke. Update scout report. No. Terasiano. Terasiano boleh lah ya. Kita scout. Real face juga, Pak, anjir. Tapi pinjem-pinjeman boleh nanti. Bentar. Dia mau minjem Volpato enggak, Pak? Ini mau kita kembangkan. Oke. 2 pemain ya, Ryongu Moha. Kita langsung hajar ke inside winger. Inside forward. 5 pekan. Shot power. Long shot, volley. Anjir, speednya masih bisa nambah dong. Police. Oke, ini aja. Sama lah ya. Anjir, ini semua dibabat, Pak. Siapa 50 pekan tadi? Half winger. Nggak inside forward aja lah. Oke, ini. Oke. Oke, kita masuk di pembukaan Serie A ya. Mereka menggunakan formasi 5 back. 5-3-2 holding. Dan di pertandingan pertama mereka menang. Masa udah main, Pak? Almada Monterio, position change, siap. Oke, udah. Aman semuanya. Scout report Ursula. Anjir, ini kurang berapa hari Ursula ini? Waduh, 46, Pak. Gusto 32. Molina kali yang mungkin ini ya. Crossingnya berapa? Mas Rowi 23. Oke, kita training dulu biar aman lah ya. Press proven, no. Dribbling. Kita shot dulu aja kayaknya. Rapid angel shot, no. Champion, aduh bangsat ini. Counter attack skenario, no. Enggak, ini aja ini. Rapid angel shot. Oke, ini aja kita gas. Apapun dapatnya ya. Aduh, kok nggak dapet, Cuk? Kun. Loh. Oke, Kun. Kir. Oke. Siapa nih? Bolsek. Hajar Sek. Aduh. Astaga. Weh. Aduh. Hajar. Oke, ayo. Sekali lagi. Hajar. Dum. Oke. Continue ya. Press conference terlebih dahulu sebelum menghadapi Torino. Ini dia, Ngumoha. Apakah dia siap bermain? Tentu saja. Salah satu pemain andalan kita ya, Ryo Ngumoha. JIJS tentu saja, bos. Vice Captain kita. Dan scout report bentar dulu. Kita kesini dulu. Oke, Pedro Porro 45 juta, 46 juta. Ntar kita lihat budget dulu nih, Pak. 61 ya. Bisa ya beli salah satu dari mereka ini. 23 tahun, Gusto. Anjir, Gusto. Wih, acceleration stamina GG. Crossing. Oke, Gusto sih pilihan menarik sih. Pedro Porro, nope. Nope lah. Anjir, kok gini lagi. TT 30 tahun, nope. Sacha Boy, nope. Tanggung, Pak. Molina udah 28 tahun. Si Dodo dia bagus sih, Pak. Sprint speed gede. Lebih suka ini sih. Stamina badak banget ini. Mas Rui enggak lah ya. Si Rit. Bentar, Rit. 29. Gusto 32. Anjir, aduh, nggak bisa Rit ini harusnya. Aduh, Fulham pinjamkan ke PSG. GG padahal cu. Hah? Not for sale. It's not for sale. The team doesn't have enough. Oh, dia tidak punya pemain lagi, Pak. Anjir, terus apa, Cok? Agusto ini yang pengen aku. Jimenez coret. Nggak bisa sih Gusto ini sih. Reed juga nggak mungkin. Ini kita coret aja lah ya. Theo Hernan. Aduh, kok Wartan kecoret, Cok, anjing. Anjing, salah, Wartan kecoret, anjing. Adam Wharton. Tar. Mana Adam Wharton tadi? Ini 40 juta euro 22 tahun. CDM / CM. Masih bingung sih. Gallagher tadi di kita ya. Fabian. Terlalu Gallagher sih. Sar. Gaji juga bisa lah. Kone. Kone ini kalau di Delegate to Buy 44 tuh. Si Gallagher cuman 37 kah? 35. Wharton. Semana Wharton tadi? 47. Jauh lah ya, Gallagher lah ya. Cari yang matang-matang aja. Archie Greno. Oke, satu striker kita tadi. Osula. Anjir, 3 hari lagi. Fabian, nope. Oke. Langsung aja lah kita menuju ke pertandingan dulu ya. Kita save dulu. Anjir, start dulu. Biar nggak terlalu lama. Kita akan melawan Torino di stadion mereka ya. Away dulu. Wah, ntar aja. Oke, kita menggunakan formasi 4-4-2 lah ya. Turati. Ini dia, Kumi. Cherndor. Torsvet. Solemana. Blosek. Murik. Ntar kabar masuk lah ya. Oke, Kumi. Langsung kita ke Olimpico Grande Torino. Tangan pembuka Serie A. Jadi Turati yang bermain bagus ya di match turnamen pramusim kita.
Well, conditions really couldn't be any better here tonight. A very warm welcome to you on this fine evening.
Markas dari Torino.
I'm joined by Sue Smith in the commentary position. It's time to begin another season in Serie A. It's Torino and they play Sassuolo.
Well, it's the first day of a long campaign, but they'll know how important it is to get points away from home this season, especially if they're going to push for a European spot. That starts here today.
Kita langsung aja lah ya. Ntar ini kan saya menggunakan formasi kamera dari eSIM. Namun kalau kita pakai broadcaster, ini Legacy. Broadcaster kan kita pakai klasik. Kop anjing jauh. Tele anjing itu dari langit. Telebroadcaster. Terlalu jauh lah ya. Tactical Legacy. Broadcaster emang paling GG. Atau masa gini, Cuk? Nggak enak, Cuk. Broadcaster lah paling bener. Oke, langsung saja. Pertandingan pembuka Serie A musim kedua. Let's go.
Ball is rolling. We're underway. Here's the Sassuolo team sheet.
Oh, hang on, what a chance!
Oke, corner untuk Sassuolo.
Needed a shout.
Ini dia John Battle.
Here it comes.
Anjir, shot.
Goalkeeper
Oke, Vanja.
well there to get to the ball. Having met before, we've got two bosses here who know the other's game well.
Yeah, and I can't wait to see who's learned the most from their last meeting, you know.
Kita press dulu.
Ilic.
Bayangin gue mau.
Forcing things, moving the ball nicely.
Dapat. Aduh, kok pemainnya yang kamu sikat Berardi.
Yellow.
Anjir, teman-temannya yang cadangan. Lulu. Wasit ngapain di situ? Aduh,
Marker laid down.
wasit goib.
Stand with his authority early on, isn't he?
Saya incer bolanya, Pak. Kenapa yang diincer pemainnya? Bisa.
Miscue.
Polsek,
Final
Bumoha.
word there.
Anjir, terlalu jauh. Burger.
Cristiano Biraghi. A chance to cross here. This is great to see and now needs an end product.
Oke, Doik.
Excellent reading of the game to win the ball.
Kasih Turati. Pas, aman.
Wouter Berger. Adam Hojek.
Oke. Kun.
Now this has to be.
Anjir, Cuk. Aduh, Berardi. Duh, Torsvet tinggal segitu, Cuk. Oke, biar capek dia. Duel Wangjai. Oke. Kun kosong.
Adam Hojek. Torsbeck.
Berardi.
Pinned a beauty. And played in there.
Ya ampun, kenapa pakai kaki kanan?
Well,
Duh,
he's under real pressure
kaki
here.
kiri
His
kosong, Pak.
reactions were absolutely brilliant.
It's put into the middle.
Anjir, Bang Jai.
It's hit the bar. Only half the job done there. A bit of a disappointing end to the attack.
Berardi.
Well, they were so close to taking the lead there. They just have to keep creating these
Oke, pas,
opportunities,
kuat
and
pas.
surely the goal will come.
Might they be left with room that will not go in.
Anjir.
That
Cuk,
was a
kursor
great chance for the
anjing ini.
opener.
Gantinya susah, Cuk.
He has to be clinical in that position. He looks absolutely gutted.
Berardi minta. Video ngomong kosong.
Promising looking ball. This to see the lead. Oh,
Astaga.
wonderful chance.
Melebar, Cuk.
Whack it rather than
Blue
place
set.
it.
Duel Bang Jai. Doik. Good job.
Kuhn.
Burger.
Nicolas
Tak dulu.
Good
Kun.
passing, not looking to force it just yet.
Aduh, Kun, umpan kemana, Kun?
Something, it won't now.
Kun Aguero maksudnya?
Well,
Bukan,
the
Pak.
visitors have dominated possession over the past 15 minutes.
Burger, mundur dulu. Casade.
Quality passes. The opposition just can't live with them. They just need that goal now.
Well, they have a bit of defending to do here. Just waiting in the centre.
Anjir. Wih, Sturati footwork save.
Played into the box.
Oke, JICS. Maju. Anjir, selesai, Cuk. Serangan balik nggak
Pass to
dikasih.
a close.
Ya, skor masih 0-0 ya.
After a low-key first 45, we live in hope that the excitement is still to come. Could get it over now. And the defense
Gumoa
has
maju.
done its job to stop any trouble brewing.
Oh, sniffed out the danger well
Astaga,
there.
Berardi, Cuk. Maksud saya anjing.
Moving it quickly and moving forward.
Astaga, sumpah,
Ball in
Cuk.
front. A key moment in the match.
Well, this is a neat and tidy finish. His movement is great. He finds
Sa,
his
fokus.
And then it's so composed.
Iran.
Aduh, Berardi mana? Malah di situ anjing.
It's a good ball.
Kintil.
I thought that was going to be the equaliser there. It wasn't far away. Not a bad attempt, that guy.
Duel. Oke.
Christian Torstvedt.
Gumoha. Tekuk.
Square here.
Aduh, nggak ada support anjing.
Stop an almost certain goal.
Berardi kemana anjing?
Just in the nick of time, really. It's looking so good
Kena.
to me.
Oke, good job.
The will they or won't they discussions can now end because the transfer has now
Goal
been
sec.
confirmed. Exciting times. Oh, real
Asu.
opportunity. Magnificent save. Top draw goalkeeping. Corner kick played in.
Lah. Pras yang bener, yang kalau nyundul lah asem. Asem aman ya. Oke, JICS. Keren JICS. Berardi. Aduh, umpan Gumoha. Gumoha terlalu pelan, bro.
Illich. Now there could be an opportunity to counter. Just a friendly reminder that we have more Serie A coverage coming up for you on EA TV as Torino face Como. Really hope you can be with us for that one.
Yeah, the fixtures are coming thick and fast. Should be a great game, that one.
Still looking for that final pass to open it up. Oh, there could be something from the cross here.
Oke, lihat Gumoha. Alah.
20 minutes to go.
Torstvedt. Oke, dia Gumoha. Maju.
And it's opened up.
Aduh. Solcek
Over the
ngapain
touchline
sih
it goes.
Berardi?
It'll be a throw in now. Substitution coming up.
Anjir. Kun masa kalah sepi, Cok. Metik. Oh.
Gojek. It's a perfect threaded through ball.
Alah,
That's where it ends,
support
with possession lost.
telat, bos.
And
Oke,
the
good
challenge
job,
puts
Ryong
them
Moha.
on. Marcus van Pedersen.
Kursor anjing. Berardi maju lah.
Weighted
Aduh.
beautifully.
Hosek ngapain situ, Cuk? Sikat. Oke,
Oh, it's in. Back from the brink with a timely equaliser.
ini dia ya. Domenico Berardi.
Well, we can see it again now, and they're so dangerous
Anjir.
in these transitions.
Hosek nggak maju, Cuk. Oke. Kita kasih perintah di salah sih false 9. Advance forward attack.
Counter-attack is
Oke.
really impressive. And it
Satu
was
sama.
just there. There's never any doubt, was there? Hits it hard and true, and the keeper just can't react in time.
Tuh. Metik.
Position now for a late winner.
Alah.
Cristiano Biraghi. Try his luck.
Untung aja,
Jesus position.
Cuk. Kita kasih. Oke.
Rather than place it, it was narrowly missed.
Ayo bro, target kita itu finish di Europa table, bro.
Sulemana.
Asu Vanja kintil.
With the keeper showed real class there.
Duel.
Over it comes.
Banjai kemana? Oke.
A bit of a disappointing end to the attack.
Alah.
So
Alah.
far, but no end result.
Cuk.
And that is the final whistle. Well, not
Imbang
bad,
terus,
but
imbang
the
terus.
and the
Kintil,
points
kintil.
are shared. What did you make of it from the away point of view?
Aduh.
Yeah,
Anjir, tim-tim gede menang nih.
Grazie per averci concesso alcuni minuti per
Susah, Pak.
rispondere alle
Kita
nostre
harus
domande.
datangkan Gallagher ya.
Lasciamo andare.
Doik, anjing Doik. Oke, Berardi. Anjir, Doik ini 24 tahun, Pak. No. Nggak ada kata jual buat Doik, anjing. Oke, langsung kita transfer dengan Gallagher aja lah kalau gitu. Kita butuh lini tengah yang very very strong, Pak. Osula, anjing 2 hari lagi. Oke, Gallagher. 36 ya. Noh, bikin negotiate player swap. Masa nih manja medik, Cuk? Enggak lah. Lipani enggak, dia masih dibutuhkan. Center back kita cuma 4, Pak. Masa striker no, winger nggak mungkin. Oke, kita tawar-tawar dulu. Anjir, diterima. Oke. Gallagher 42, dia gajinya sekarang 72. Bentar, 42 ya. 50 bisa kali ya. Oke. Krusial sih pasti dia. Ya kan? 4 years. Gallagher 50.000 kita tawar dengan agennya ya. Anjir, signing bonus 3. Nggak masalah lah. Oke, welcome to Sassuolo, Conor Gallagher. Sambut langsung oleh Domenico Berardi. Jay Ijes, Captain dan Vice Captain. Ini dia Conor Gallagher resmi join ke Sassuolo dengan budget 32 juta euro. Alah, anjir, 30,4 anjing. Oke, untuk right back ya, Gusto sih, saya pengen Gusto pak. Oke, nanti kita cari caranya lah ya, biar bisa mendatangkan Gusto. Oke. Bentar. Kita save dulu lah, bos. Oh iya, kita si itu bisa kita pinjem dulu lah ya. Si ini, Terasiano. Belum, 7 hari lagi. Oke, kita lihat transfer budget dulu, 27. Masih aman dan langsung saja kita ke lawan Fiorentina ya. Di pertandingan pertama menang dia. Turati anjir. No, not for sale Turati, kiper utama kita sekarang ya. Oke, kita bentar, kita atur dulu lah ya. Bentar, formasi, sorry. Time sheet. Anjir. Benar. Oke, Murik. Oke. Oke, Gallagher tentunya. Oke, biarin lah ya. Dan untuk di holding sini tentunya Conor Gallagher ya. Ntar ini. Oke. Lalu untuk ini Nero bisa kita mainkan si Conor Gallagher di sini. Salah anjing. Oh iya, kita ada Cendur ya, lupa saya. Solemana Gallagher itu kaki kanan. Solemana right. Oke, nggak masalah. Pras Holsek, ntar attack. Oke. Untuk holding false 9 attack. No. Advance forward. Nah, untuk ini juga dia di attack, Pak. Karena kalau false 9 dia terlalu mundur. Bingung juga. Oke, kita langsung saja ke advance. Warimovic. Oke, no problem. Warimovic. Opponent analysis. Anjir, Moisekin anjing. Oke. Bentar ya. Kita bikin time sheet itu ini utama. Oke, pre-match training. Kita kolek-kolek dulu. Biar mau ngepres pemain kita ya. Anjir, Turati. Wih. Wih. Oke, itu dia kita mendapat playstyle press proven. Akan menghadapi Fiorentina. Anjir, Soleh mana? Satu tuker. Oh, oke. Ndur. Bisa kita mainkan ya, Ndur. Artemio Franchi, kandang dari Fiorentina.
The wait is over and the contract has finally been signed. We're just minutes away
Conor
from witnessing his debut. How will he fare? Hello everyone and welcome to Florence, a city that attracts so many visitors on an
Press
annual
langsung
basis.
Pak dari awal Pak.
There are many who come here for the
Kita lihat
football.
mencari gol cepat.
Ready here on the commentary position, and alongside me is the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfielder Stuart Robson. And very much looking forward to bringing you action from Serie A. It's Fiorentina and they face Sassuolo.
It was a decent start by the visitors in their opening fixture. It was always going to be difficult for them, but they...
Ajar, anjir, Losek.
Lethal piece of finishing, drilled home with true conviction. Tremendous goal.
Anjir. GG.
Well, you won't see a better connection than this. Hit with such power. What a great goal.
Ini formasi GG apa? Baru attacking position GG, Pak. Yuk, kita langsung
1-0 then.
tetap press proven.
Antonin Barak. Lewis. In possession, Cesar Montes.
Oke.
Wasteful from Fiorentina.
Aduh.
Beautiful pass.
Oke, Losek.
Oh, big chance.
Astaga, De Gea.
Fantastic save.
Masih aja.
Situation, that's a really top-class save from the keeper.
Bonjai. Wanjir.
The keeper's done really well to hold on to.
Well. Aduh, doik.
Gozens.
Tangkap. Oke, tenang. Terus Fed kosong.
And now with Torstved. Domenico Berardi. Well, the defenders know they need to get tighter. Can't really allow runs like that. Can they set up a
No, nggak bisa.
chance?
Burger shooting.
Oh, that's a great save.
Corner. De Gea. Tepis, Pak. Jadi pemain-pemain kita bisa shooting lumayan nih, Pak. Paham. Bonjai. Magic Bonjai telah habis kah? Bayangi. Sikat kena. Aduh. Oke, Gallagher.
Piccoli.
Bonjai mundur. Torsved. Oke.
Moise Kean.
Oke, bisa. Anjir, Gallagher. GG. Sabar.
Domenico Berardi. And moving it forward. That's a good ball. Oh, it's on!
Aduh. Gigi. Sulemana staminanya jelek tadi ya.
Roberto Piccoli.
Pras. Pras. Ya, kita plesetin aja namanya ya. Pras itu, Pak. Pras buang pras. Oke.
Sulemana.
Oke, Berardi kuat. Astaga, pok ngarik bangke. Gak usah. Dekiakin. Gallagher mundur.
Antonin Barak.
Ayo pas. Isah. Bahaya. Turati. What a save from Turati. Moise Kean ini salah satu striker paling berbahaya ya. Tenang. Doik, Berardi.
Domenico Berardi. And on to Torstvedt.
Gak usah. Main dulu. Alah, burger. Oke. Langsung saja berakhir ya. Bisa nih, yuk. Marimovic tadi pengen main ya, cuman ya kita main build up santai-santai aja ya.
Christian Torstvedt. On to Struijk. Conor Gallagher.
Aduh. Pras, ngawur Pras. Bang Jai.
But it just petered out. Chance maybe to use their counter-attacking ability to good effect.
Astaga, anjir Ranieri.
Roberto Piccoli. Just moving back into that deeper position. Intelligent ball.
Wih, Gallagher. Menyala Gallagher. Oke, Pras, mantep Pras. Bahaya, tutup. Buang. Pascal Struijk. Duel. Terserah menang apa enggak, yang penting duel dulu. Bayangi. Ganggu. Aduh, kok. Pascal Struijk, passing ngawur. Aduh, Gallagher. Wih, mahal. Kurang kenceng. Anjir, pemain kita staminanya habis semua Pak buat ngepres Pak. Offside. Fone kontol. Astagfirullahaladzim. Ya ganti Gumoha lah ya. Habis semua, kita pakai taktik star. Halfinger. Support. support. Oke. Bentar. Anjir si Pras habis, nggak ada backup. Charjeti endur. Matic main boleh. Oh, Maremovic, Pak. Habis kah? Ganti depan aja si Skelerup. Ada satu lagi kah kalau nggak salah? Anjir. Asu kuning. Alah, umpan tai, cuk. Asu, mana gelandang bertahannya kintil. Harus sumpah nggak bisa seenaknya, cuk. Kurati gigi. Kurati. Ayo running. Alah, Skelerup nggak bisa diandelin di depan anjing. Aduh. Ayo gerak bangsai. Gumoha. Skelerup. Asu. Anjay, kenapa?
And the header just clearing the crossbar.
Well, I think he'll be slightly disappointed because once he gets to it first, that's a chance.
Torstvedt.
Lah, nggak bisa.
And he's given us away.
Torstvedt ini ngapain situ?
And tension galore with the teams locked
Vet,
together.
mundur Vet, kontol cuk.
Promising. A goal here surely would finish it.
Up. Anjing.
Torstvedt.
Run.
Ball.
Aduh, umpannya.
Well, as you can see, the visitors have controlled the possession in the last 15 minutes. And have got the ball into some really good positions. You just want it to be a matter of time before they get their goal.
Now can they win back possession and create something else?
Astagfirullahaladzim.
Well, this was always going to be a difficult game for them. They worked hard, they were organised, but they just lacked that bit of quality. It's a good result on match day one, but this is going to be a tough season for them.
His performance in this particular game will have impressed many people, Stuart.
Well, he's the match winner, and deservedly so. He was outstanding today. He's great to watch when he's in this sort of form.
Cowok skin kontol anjing. Anjing, terus gimana caranya?
Siamo qui con il mister che ringrazio per
Main
aver accettato il
belakang.
nostro invito. Lasciamo andare.
Maremovic. Anjing, ini belum ada ya berarti ya? Gusto. Oke. Mari kita sulap Gusto menjadi tentunya agar bisa dibeli dengan kita ya. Bentar, sorry. Nah, itu dia. Langsung saja Gusto. Nah, ini kan approach to buy. Anjir 42. Ah, anjir kita di peringkat berapa, Cuk? Sekali seri, sekali kalah 14. Ngentiau. 27, Cuk. 26. Kita harus swap deal sih. Gusto. Center back nggak mungkin, Pak. Full back. Masa kita cuma ngandelin satu full back? Nggak mungkin. Matic. Kumilipani. Nggak mungkin, nggak ada, Pak. Winger kah? Volpato nggak mungkin. Matic nggak mungkin. Kumi. Lipani kita. Oke, kalau mau saya nggak punya duit lagi, Bang. Sumpah. Semoga diterima. Unai Emery. Bangsa dia minta kuncuk. Burger nggak mungkin lah. Kumi, oke. Kumi. Anjir, Kumi. Udah, kasih Kumi aja kau. Ini manja Matic. Nah itu, Matic. Anjir, ini udah pasti nggak mau sih. Terasiano. Nggak usah lah ya, kita datangkan pemain dari akademi aja lah ya. Lukman rumor ke Monaco. Anjir 40, Cuk, nggak ada uang saya, Cuk. Anjing. Aduh, nggak bisa lagi. Samuarimovic nggak lah, anjing. Solemana, winger. Gak ada, Pak. $20. Oke, 25%, Cuk. Penawaran terakhir. Gak mau, oke? Gak masalah. Kita langsung aja lah ya. Skip. Jadi kita tidak mendatangkan right back kali ini. Ya, main dengan pemain seadanya lah. Advance melawan Bari. Oke. Piras. Oke, ini bisa kita promote, Pak, si Piras ini. Udah kan? Udah. Oke, Piras buat backup lah ya. Youth Scout Report. Oke. No. Wah, ini aduh 14 tahun anjing. Nunggu 2 musim untuk promosi. Anjing tolol nih squad apa? Kiper. Buang. Ancuk. Kayak mana terusan anjing? 14 tahun semua bangsat. Buang aja lah. Anjing. Opponent analisis. Ketiga 4-2-1. Wajib menang, cok. Kita balik ke formasi awal kita ya. Mundur. Salah. Oke, gini aja lah. Ntar. Alah. Pencet quick sim, cok.
This is the kind of occasion we all relish as football fans. Non-stop hype always.
Jam bisa nggak ya?
Long and now for the action. Hello, it's great to be with you and no problems at all on the weather front as we get ready for this match. My name is Derek Ray and ready with his tactics for
Harus
the
ada.
analysis.
Bentar Pak, ini saya perlu setting dikit ini ya. Mungkin dari sini kali ya. Anjir, bukan kompetitif dong. Dinamik. Oke.
Stuart Robson, and the focus is very much on Serie A, the top division here in Italy. It is Sassuolo, and they take on Bari.
After their start to the season, these fans will be fairly happy, I think. They've competed well, they've shown tactical discipline, and they've been energetic. It will be another tough game today, though. They need to play well.
Well, intriguingly, first time these two managers have gone head-to-head.
Yeah, but they'll know each other's tactics. It will certainly be an interesting game, I think.
Chance to do damage. Oh, it's on! Looks like a certain goal, but that's a great challenge.
Alah, hampir.
Defending at just the right time as well.
Well, something has happened at one of the other venues. Let's get the up-to-date news from Alex.
Yeah, it was a penalty.
Oh, hang on, Alex. Big chance here. And a goal! Not bad for starting.
Selebrasi di tengah gempuran. Ini lawannya baru Pak. Ini promosi ya.
Well, this is a very tidy finish, as you can see. He's under so much pressure, but his strength just allows him to hit through the ball cleanly. It's an excellent goal.
Di sini tuh defense-nya yang sulit Pak. Anjir.
1-0 it is. Lorenzo Dickman. Francesco Vicardi.
Bisa, alah.
And here's Gaston Pereiro. Playing with patience. Nishimura. It's a equalizer.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
A back and forth sort of match. Now they're level again. The lead lasted merely minutes. Back underway. Level pegging. 1 goal apiece in this game. Well, I'm getting word that a goal has gone in the Bologna game. Let's hear all about it from Alex.
Alah.
It's a
Oke.
goal for Genoa. It's all even Stevens at 1-1.
Aduh.
18 minutes played.
Thanks as always, Alex. Pereiro.
Alah.
And teammates to play it to. As though there might be a threat, but not so in the end. Good defending.
Well, that's how to defend the edge of the box.
Masuk. Cok.
Nishimura. Maggiore. Good looking pass. Well, we can give them high marks
Oke,
for
Rio
the
Momoha.
passing, but can they make this pressure
Alah,
count?
tutup cok asu.
Raffaele Puccino. And moving the ball forward with genuine purpose here. Now, disappointing end to the move. Domenico Berardi. Nicely played.
Semua
I was on the cusp of saying he's at it again. Look as though he might score again.
Well, he's certainly looking sharp today. That could easily have been his second there.
Domenico Berardi. Opportunity.
Wis,
The save was a good one.
sangar. Anjay.
Let's see about the delivery.
Wih.
Oh, danger here.
Uh.
Goalkeeping you're going to see again and again and again.
Wah, Bang Jai kehilangan magic, Pak.
The challenge that was required. Pereiro. Dickman. Maggiore. Promising possession, this.
Alah.
And
Mirip Turati, Cuk.
Well, you won't see a
Wah,
better
Cuk, kalau
reaction
nggak ada
to
Turati,
that.
mati
That is
kita
a
ini, anjing.
superb piece of goalkeeping.
Oke.
Well, not away properly.
Oke, babak pertama usai.
The managers will now deliver their half-time team talks. We're at the end of...
Kita coba main santai aja, umpan-umpan pendek aja.
So underway once again. Who will grab
Kita main
the stake in
santai-santai
the
aja.
second half? Gallagher. Pascal Struijk. And on to Torsved. And it's opening up.
Aduh, salah saya itu, salah saya, Pak.
Well, nice approach play, but the final pass wasn't quite good enough.
Good news for Marseille, a new addition, and you would think, Stuart, he's going to make his debut pretty soon.
Well, I think it's a good move for him.
Anjir. GG. Selebrasi Piti.
Just look at the celebrations.
Well, here's the goal again, and what a wonderfully weighted pass this is.
Asisnya
And the
keren,
finish
Cuk.
is clinical.
Balik badan
It
langsung
just makes
des
it look so
triple
easy, doesn't it?
lagi. GWP. Domenico Berardi.
So back underway. Intriguing contest this, given the 2-1 scoreline.
Wih, Kun.
Throw in here.
Kun memasak kah Kun?
Torstvedt.
Kun maju Kun.
Adam Hrojek.
Alah.
The textbook interception. But it should be a Serie A game to savour. You can see it live with us here on EA TV. It's Sassuolo facing Sampdoria.
Biarin aja. Bingung kan nggak? Bingung kan ente bro?
Conor Gallagher. Okay, I think we
Main-main
better go
dulu.
over to Alex Scott because Alex, there's
Nggak bisa
been a
Pak,
change
kita
to the
lari-larian
scoreline
terlalu
in the
cepat.
Bologna match.
It's another goal for Bologna. They're now behind by one with 61
Kumoha kurang kenceng itu umpannya.
spirits there.
Thanks as always, Alex. Lorenzo Dickman. Well, plenty of
Dapat
live
lagi.
football coming your way right here on EA TV.
What a game.
Biarin aja, biarin aja, biarin aja.
Great stadium. I'm really looking forward to that one.
And with that,
Mati
the
konco.
attack fizzles out.
Aduh. Passingmu pras.
Pressing build-up. Promising ball.
Yeah, really good vision
Huh.
there.
Maggiore.
Wah, anjir.
And tidy defensive play. Well, breaking at pace is always a possibility.
Kun, maju Kun. Aduh, Kun.
Disappointed. It looked promising.
Ah,
Maggiore.
menit 75 cok, belum ganti pemain cok.
And into the last 15 minutes of action.
Biarin aja, biarin aja.
Just to equalise. Oh, that's an
Alah, Pascal.
just as it was looking
Buang.
threatening. Nicolas Thun. And now with Torstvedt.
Aduh,
Sassuolo
Alah.
losing possession.
offside. Anjir, Kun. Kumoha belum menunjukkan tajinya ya. Sulemana. Anjir, Muharemovic. Boleh kali dia main sini ya.
And that is offside.
Biarin aja, biarin aja.
Nishimura. Can they get themselves level? Castrovilli. Might lead to a chance. Look as though there might be a threat, but not so in the end. Good
Ah.
defending.
Passing Muharemovic.
Doesn't have to do it on his own. Well, somebody's got to stop
Aduh,
him.
gak dapet cok.
Pereiro. That's a good-looking ball.
Masa harus Bang Jai? Oke,
And there it is, the final
kita memenangkan pertandingan pertama ya di musim kali ini.
Well, I
3
think
poin yang sangat penting. Oke, Berardi, Losek, Jai Ijes, anjir Jai Ijes tergantikan.
Ringraziamo il mister per averci concesso questa intervista.
Losek ngeri, satu kata ngeri untuk Holsek.
Lasciamo andare il
Piras. Oke, Piras. Ah, bodo amat lah. Transfer Indo udah ketutup kan? Oke, sekarang kita di peringkat ke-7 ya. Modal yang sangat bagus, peringkat ke-8. Oke, mereka Sampdoria menggunakan formasi 3 back. Oke lah, maju tak gentar lah. Kita save-save dulu lah ya. Oke, ini mungkin pertandingan terakhir ya, karena udah 1,5 jam. Kita gaskan dia. Bentar. Kok ini? Nah, Ngumoha kita bisa pakai untuk lari-larian nanti. Marimovic main nanti aja. Mundur. Kita bisa mainkan si Kabar nanti ya. Olsek, Kun, oke. Luigi Ferraris, let's go.
It's league action today, and there's a lot to fight for, with every point gained so crucial to their chances of success. As it always is in this league, every moment matters. Stay with us for all the action, live on EA TV. Warm welcome to you, and thanks for joining us for another game live on EA TV. I'm Guy Mowbray, your commentator, with the professional
Langsung
view
press.
provided by Stuart Robson. We've got action on the way from Serie A. It's Sampdoria, and they play Sassuolo.
Oke.
Menyala.
Menyala. Anjir, bentar. Stick saya ketumpahan air, Cuk.
But the team that has the greater desire will probably come out on top.
Here's the Sampdoria team sheet.
Well, it's a 3-4-2-1 with 3 at the back, 2 central midfield players and 2 wing backs. But the 2 behind the centre.
Astaga, masih bisa tepis. Oh iya, harus tekuk. Harusnya di cancel shot ya. Bang Jai.
Here it comes. Nervy clearance, still pressure. Now this might be promising.
Gallagher. Bang Jai mundur.
Henderson. Well, he's a player that many have been talking about.
Anjir.
Will we be talking about him for the right reasons today then?
I'm sure he's going to be tightly marked today.
Asu.
An early opener to get the game going.
Well, here's the goal again, and what a wonderfully weighted pass this is. And the movement is good, making for a comfortable finish. It's a really great goal.
Asu, nggak bisa ini, Cok. Kontrol. Kita dip aja lah. Dua-duanya nggak bisa lari, nggak bisa jaga.
So it's 1-0 as the ball gets rolling again. Christian Torstvedt. Domenico Berardi. Torstvedt. Berardi. Christian Torstvedt. And it's been cut out. There's the turnover.
Kintil. Jangan di inside forward kali ya. Winger. Ayo, Cok.
Setting up the chance. Switched on and ready to intercept there.
Kintil, Cok. Masih bisa kebaca loh.
Need to get tighter here. Having a try.
Counter attack.
Defending.
Aduh,
That's how
offside,
to
offside.
defend in those situations.
Positive play on the front foot. Well, it looked
Ngentot
promising, but only
Berardi,
up to a
cok.
point.
Astaga.
Liam Henderson. Playing his luck.
Nih,
Has
Turati.
that not gone in? Incredible goalkeeping.
Well,
Delivered. Still could be something happening here. Having a look, and that's safe and secure goalkeeping.
halah. Kontol.
Something developing here. Surely someone's got to do something about this.
Pascal.
The attack is over. Lojek
Support tai, cok.
could be setting something now.
Mantep nggak? Oke.
There's room to do something here. Good cross into the middle.
Astaga, kiper kintil.
Here it comes.
Wah, Allah. Alah.
The attack comes to an end. Disappointing.
Loh,
The
ya
assistant
offside,
flag is
cok,
raised.
cok.
That'll be offside.
Anjing ngoper ke situ.
Well, they got so far, but no end result.
Walah.
Good advantage played by the ref. He went for power.
Kuning lah,
Plenty
Gallagher.
of that. It was never anywhere near. And the second half
Kuning.
kicks off with 45 more
Anjir.
minutes ahead of us. Nicholas Kuhn. Christian Torstvedt. Domenico Berardi.
Asu langsung ditutup.
Incomplete. Nicely won. Henderson. That's how to play it through.
Oke, Turati, sabar.
Hung on to the ball well. Pascal Sprout. Gallagher.
Kontol, cok.
They won the ball
Jauh
and they
disek.
keep it.
Nyok munyok. Asu.
Something could be on with this.
Alah, kintil.
Chance to
Alah, tai.
another goal, and it's one that tightens their grip on this game.
Well, here you can see it again. Good run, great strength, and a composed finish under pressure. That's a top-class goal.
That's not a bad-looking ball.
Maju striker dongo.
Played into the penalty area.
Anjing kemana? Husek
Being
anjing.
decisively dealt with.
Duh, doik.
Well, they put it back.
Kontol jaran.
Still going. The ref letting them play.
Sprint.
Advantage developed there. Play brought back for the free kick.
Ya Allah. Doik. Aneh wis cewek, cok. Asu.
Lead, and the win almost guaranteed. Had to go a long way with this. Well, they were getting interested there, but not anymore. Nicely taken away. It's come out for a throw. Pauli. Afraid that's careless. Might get caught on the break here. Lovely weighted pass. Henderson. What a chance.
Kontil. Naik itu. Ini Almada Montero ya, wong tolol yo anjing. Doi kayak naik bisa cok. Asu goblok.
The power, but he got it all wrong. It's missed by a distance. Well, he's been key today, but the manager now making a change. Tosbet.
Striker kontol, striker kontol.
Kamaldeen Sulemana. Played in, and this could be. Oh, it's in. Oh, yes, what a way to silence this crowd. And away we go again at 3-1 now.
Anjing.
Lovely setup. Decent move looked to be building. That's it for now.
Well, they were nice and compact there and defended that fairly easily.
Alah.
We've entered the final 10 minutes. And possession given away. And the ref blows for a foul. Free kick awarded.
Asu. Misuh saya jadinya, cuk. Gak ada perubahan loh dari musim pertama.
Probably the right pass, but hit with a bit too much. Domenico Berardi. That's a lovely ball. They're having something building now. Has to get back in this. And
One more.
scored. This isn't over yet, but they'll have to
Astagfirullahaladzim,
be
astagfirullahaladzim.
one more needed now.
Running.
Willy Bowling.
Woi.
Promising looking ball. And that one is got away. Well, time ticking away, but there's still belief here.
Ya Allah, cuk kiper asu.
It's a winning save.
Well, that save
Anjay.
probably won the game for his team. Brilliant stuff from the keeper.
Asu kiper cuk.
And that brings an
Anjing
end to
sumpah
the match.
ngentot
It
kiper
was
anjing.
one that felt in the away end.
Alah, kalah.
Anzitutto la ringrazio per aver accettato di rispondere alle nostre domande. Ringraziamo.
Gintil. Nah, save. Bentar. Kita pakai authentic, dynamic. Oke. Oke ya, sekian video dari saya. Kurang lebihnya saya mohon maaf. Mohon maaf jika banyak kata kasar. Akhir kata saya ucapkan wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.